Are you ready to up your game with decorative stitches? Let's talk about how we can combine them together in the Sequence Creator. We have tons of videos on the Pfaff Creative Icon too, and those links you can find in the description below. But let's go ahead and talk about Sequence Creator. When you open it, you're going to have a blank screen. At this point, you can pull in any type of decorative stitch that you might want to combine with other stitches. Now, there is some fun things that you can do just by putting the same two decorative stitches into memory, where you could come in and open Edit Stitch and do something with that second one. For example, mirror image it. Now, here is something that we do see where it does depend on where one stitch ends and the next one begins. So for example, between these two, we are going to have a jump of thread that will bring us over to that other direction. So that is something to be aware of. If you wanted to find a stitch that has more of a centered area, let me show you what I'm talking about. We'll just find some fun elements that could be done this way. So for example, in menu 5.1, stitch number 21, if we put two of these in memory, watch what we're able to do when we touch that mirror image. You see that those are going to connect, and when you touch OK, now you'll see how they're going to look in the entire sequence. So all of a sudden you have a brand new stitch just by taking and combining two of them together and putting a mirror image for one of them. If you want to edit this stitch, touch and hold on your screen and let it come back into Edit Sequence Creator. You will find that you could then come in and place, say, another stitch in between there, add something else, add lettering so you can combine alphabets and decorative stitches together. Your possibilities are truly endless, so we can have some fun just by coming in, and if I wanted to put my name in between here, then it will sew that out in the order that you see it stitched. If you don't want that particular something in there, do Edit Stitch and then go ahead and touch the trash can and you can delete out whichever is highlighted is the one it's going to delete. We can select all, we can insert, we can do everything. If you want to save what you've made, go ahead and touch the heart at the bottom. Click Save. You will be asked if you want to give this a title, which you are welcome to. So you might say flower if you want. And sometimes I'll even give it a number just because I might do another one and then I can save it. So when you are done, touch OK. You can stitch this out, but if you're looking for retrieving that design that you have saved, touch the folder. I'm going to touch where I can see the items by name because I do have a lot in here. And probably the last thing that it will show is the one I just saved. Here it is, flower 1 with a SPX at the end indicating that that is a sewing stitch and it will be pulled into the sewing side to sew. You can also embroider this, so if you've saved it as a combination, you can actually pull it up on the embroidery side of your machine as well. We'll get into that as we get into more of the advanced features of the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. So I hope that you'll try some decorative stitches. Find our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course if you want to really improve all your possibilities and get your creative juices flowing. That particular course is designed to really delve into other things that you can do with decorative stitches in a whole new way. We do have over 10 videos you can preview for free for that course and see some of the possibilities that I've come up with on the Pfaff sewing machines that will help take you on a whole new sewing journey.